In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a simple floor plan into a rendered image with Google's Nano Banana AI. At the end of the video, I threw in a bonus tip that will instantly elevate your work to the next level. All prompts I use in this video are in the description below. Head over to Google AI Studio Nano Banana. Click the plus icon to upload your floor plan. Copy and paste the prompt from the description, edit the prompt as needed, and click Run when you're done. And this is the building that Google AI Nano Banana created. You can make further edits to this building by simply typing whatever it is that you would like. 2 of the pods to be enclosed with a glass dome. Hit enter. And this is the output from the edited image. Thank you for watching until the end. In the description of this video is a link to the Nano Banana cheat sheet made specifically for architecture. It contains hundreds of words and several pre-made prompts that will instantly elevate your work to the next level. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.